everyone, this is Zelda from TandZRVLife and welcome back to our channel. Tony's outside. In the next video that comes up, you will see him. He's going to be sitting right here next to me. Today I just wanted to share with you Keto My Way. So I am down 18.2 pounds, and yes, it is a slow loss. But like I said, I'm doing it my way. I'm doing it where, I will eat when I'm hungry. I stop when I'm satisfied. I drink when I'm thirsty. And the carbs, when I said no more than 25 total grams of carbohydrate per day. And I take that and I split that up to anywhere. I said 7 to 8, but it's usually 6 to 8 grams of total carbohydrates per meal. But if I want something like, I don't know if it was the last video that I shared, I wanted an ice cream from the Dairy Queen. I wanted just a small ice cream. I wanted the vanilla with the chocolate dip. And once I had that, I was fine. And then I went on and eat, for the rest of the day, I ate, keeping my carbs low, minus that. But I find that when I eat like that, and I'm really not hungry a lot of the times, but if I get a craving for something sweet and I don't have like the chocolate, the Ghirardelli, I think that's what it's called, I usually get about 86%, whatever, the 86% chocolate, or 92 is kind of cutting it to where, yeah, it tastes yucky. But I'll get a piece like that, and I'll get a little piece of chocolate, and then I'm fine. So overall, I feel great. My clothes are looser. I feel good. And 18.2 pounds. So I am very close. I'm sorry. Did I say 18.2? 18.8. 18. Well, anyway, it's 18 something. I'll put it up here. I want to actually, no, I can tell you right now. I can look on my phone. I feel really good about how I feel. Now, I don't know. I'm sure everyone knows that President Trump is at Walter Reed, and he tested positive for the virus. And I have been praying, I ask God, that His will be done. That's how I pray. Sometimes, whatever the situations may be, I pray that God's will be done. God's will be done. And no, do I want him to have the virus and be sick? No, of course not. But I pray God's will be done. God's will be done. Okay. Oh, it was 18.8 pounds lost. So, yay! I am close to the 20-pound mark, and I'm sure I will meet it this week because today is Sunday. And I feel good. I don't have a craving for anything sweet. Usually my coffee takes care of it. Woo! I don't know where they came that up. I had a yawn. But anyway, I am using my Fitness Pal to keep track of my food and my weight loss, and I look in there, and sometimes they'll have different meals. Okay, here's one. Almond flour muffins. I had not almond flour muffins, but I had these Atkins bars that I use, and I really believe they slowed down my weight loss because they're sweet. They have higher content of carbohydrates, and they have the sugar alcohols, and they have fiber. For me, it wasn't doing it. It felt like candy, and then I would eat one, and then later on, and it did curb my appetite. I'm not going to lie about that. Curbed my appetite. But then later on I wanted one again. And so my total carbohydrate count was above 25. So that doesn't do it for me. For those who like them, that's great. And they work for you, that's great. But for me, I have to limit them. I can't buy them, which I bought them off of Amazon, and I bought a big box. Within a week and a half, they were gone. So I don't know if I ate all of them. Did my son eat a few thinking, ooh, candy bar? I don't know. But I am very careful on bars like that. What else have I done? I drink my coffee. I drink some of the little things you squeeze in your water to give you water flavor, because I will drink water, but then I want something with some flavor, something sweet, and that will take away my craving sometimes of the sugar. So, I'm looking at these kids that are in school, and someone on TV just stated that, you know, we're sending our children, I'm off on a tangent, we're sending our children back to school in an environment where they're going to bring the virus home to their families who are more at risk. And you know, I'm going to leave it at that, because I'll let Mr. Pierce talk about that, because he does have issue with that, and I do too. We homeschool. We've homeschooled for a long time, so it wasn't a transition for us at all. But it is dangerous now to send our children back to school. So yes, they need an education. Sit them down with a book to read, sit them down to write, sit them down to do some math, sit them down to have conversations around the dinner table, because they're home now and some of the parents are home now. Talk to your children. Talk to them. New concept. Woo! I don't know. I'm being facetious. Anyway, 18.8 pounds lighter, and I feel good. So, yay! God bless you all. And the next video you see, it'll be TandZRVLife. Bye!